Good afternoon, and it's 12:30 in Dubai. So happy Tuesday to everyone. And for lunch, I'm gonna make ginataang kalabasa and sitaw with pork and bagoong or sauteed shrimp paste. Okay, so this I'm gonna make today, and I have here this is the one I bought last Thursday. This is the butternut pumpkin. Okay, and I have here string beans or sitaw, and I have soaked my dried coconut in a lukewarm water, and now I have to grind it. And I have here cubes pork. I have cut into cubes, and I have marinated with salt and lemon and garlic. That's all. So now first we have to grind our coconut. They just grind it just a few seconds. So this is enough. And now we have to strain it. And then this one we can throw. We have to squeeze it. We have to extract the coconut properly so we could remove the juice. So now this is okay. So you have to set aside this. And also we'll be using a finely chopped garlic and onion. Just one onion. So first we have to saute our meat, so we have to remove the excess fat on this. So now our pan is heated up. Now we have to put our marinated meat. I don't put oil because pork has fat. First we have to saute this one. And for those who doesn't eat pork meat, you can replace this to chicken meat. So we just need more time. I want my meat to become little brown. So now this is okay. Now it's brown. So see, it has oil from the pork. So now we have to remove this. brown. So now we will use same oil to fry our garlic and onion. And now we can put our chopped onion. And we just saute this until the onion gets translucent or like golden brown. Change color. And now our onion is golden brown now. So now next is we have to put our bagoong. Just 3/4 tablespoon of saute this for a few seconds. And now I can put the vegetables. I put normally when I do the with pork dish, I normally put lots of vegetables. So I only put less of meat, and it's more on vegetables I'm doing. Because the reason I'm putting meat is just to give different taste. That's why I put with meat. Okay, so let's just saute this like for 2 to 3 minutes. And now on this we put the salt. Just half teaspoon of salt right now. I'll just adjust later. And then I can put my pork back. Okay, and we have to mix it properly. So this time we can add our coconut, extracted coconut milk. We don't have to waste anything. We have to scoop it off, scoop it out, scoop it out. So now, looking nice. So now let's just simmer this. We just cover it and simmer until the vegetables gets cooked. That's all for today. So this is the recipe that I could able to share with you today. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And please comment down below. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. So until to my next one. Bye!
Please like and subscribe.